First, navigate to the Tradingview website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. Usually located in the top right corner of your screen, click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option that says Account and Billing. This will take you to your account settings page. On the Account and Billing page, carefully scan for the Security section. Within this section, you should find an area dedicated to two-factor authentication. Here, you will see the current status of your two-factor authentication, which is likely set to enabled. Locate the button or link that allows you to disable this feature. It will usually be clearly labeled something like Disable Too Far or Turn Off Too Far. Before proceeding, Tradingview will prompt you to confirm your decision and likely ask for your account password to verify your identity. Crucially, take a moment to consider the security implications. Disabling two-factor authentication means your account will be less protected against unauthorized access. After confirming your password, your two-factor authentication will be successfully turned off. Your account security is now primarily reliant on your password alone. Always remember to choose strong, unique passwords and be vigilant about your account safety.